Friends, welcome to NG Academy. Today, our agenda is to discuss defect of vision and short-sightedness. In our next episode, we will discuss long-sightedness. In biology, we say myopia for short-sightedness and hypermetropia for long-sightedness. Now let's define what defect of vision is. The inability of eye to see distant object or nearby object clearly is called defect of vision. Friends, let's understand what short-sightedness is. Well, its definition is it is a defect of vision in which a person can see the nearby object clearly but cannot see distant object clearly. So what is the causes of short-sightedness? These two are the causes: due to the decrease in the focal length of eye lens and due to the elongation of eyeball. This is a normal eye and this is myopic eye. If we compare these two pictures, one for normal eye and next for short-sighted eye, I mean to say myopic eye, what difference we notice in normal eye and myopic eye? This is normal and this is myopic. Here the focal length has decreased. See here, the two light rays after refraction meet at retina, but here two light rays after refraction meet in front of the retina of the eye. Here the focal length means the distance from optical center to the focus is decreased here. Here the focal length is from this point to this point. Due to the decrease in the focal length, the object at far point is blurred for this eye because the image of this object from infinity is formed in front of this retina. This is the retina of the myopic eye. To form clear image of the object at infinity, these two light rays after refraction should meet here, not here, not here, like this. So friends, short-sightedness means the eye lens unable to accommodate. Well friends, to understand accommodation, go to my channel, see my previous video, accommodation of eye. Now friends, look at this figure. This is normal eye and normal eye has no problem. Its range of vision is near point to far point. Well friends, if you don't understand what is near point, far point, range of vision, please go to my channel and search range of vision. You will find there the range of vision. This is how the image of object is formed at the retina of object lying at near point. For a normal eye, clear image of object is formed on the retina irrespective of position, irrespective of object position, anywhere between near point and far point. Be your object here, it doesn't matter. The images of this object can be formed at this retina for normal eye. But for short-sighted eye, its near point is okay. I mean to say it can form clear image of the object at near point, but it has problem of far point for short-sighted eye. In fact, the far point for the myopic eye is shifted nearer to the eye. For example, this is the new far point for the myopic eye. For example, if this is myopic eye, then it's now the new far point is at point P. And for this a myopic eye, its range of vision is from, for example, if this is the near point of this myopic eye, and its range of vision is from near point to its far point. Now let's draw a ray diagram for this myopic eye. This is how we draw. Light rays emerging from object at point P after refraction meet at retina. So clear image of object at retina is formed. But friends, myopic eye wish to see object at its previous far point. So what should be done to correct it? Well, we can correct by using concave lens of suitable focal length. Now let's see through ray diagram how concave lens correct the problem. Now we will draw parallel light rays emerging from object at infinity, because we wish to see object at infinity. Parallel light rays emerging from object at infinity strikes the lens, diverges it, and finally converged to meet at retina after refraction through the eye. But these diverged rays of light appears to come from its far point P of myopic eye. Hence, this concave lens gives perception that the object at infinity has shifted to far point P of the myopic eye. In this way, the defect is corrected. Well friends, this is all about short-sightedness and its causes, and we have also corrected the short-sighted problem. Now our next agenda is to solve the question related to short-sightedness. The diagram represents a type of defect of vision. Study it and answer the following questions. See, here is diagram. Now let's answer the following questions on the basis of this diagram. What type of defect of vision is it? This is short-sightedness, because the parallel rays of light after refraction meet in front of this retina. This is short-sightedness. Mention the cause of this defect. What are the two causes? I have already shown you at the beginning of the video, due to the decrease in the focal length of eye lens, or you can write due to the elongation of eyeball. So what is the remedy of such defect of vision? So the remedy is to wear concave lens of suitable focal length, and we have to show the diagram. The diagram, okay, I will show you the diagram. What type of diagram there should be? This should be your diagram. Friends, this is all about short-sightedness, and we have also solved this problem, and in our next episode we will discuss long-sightedness. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching this video.